Namaste, welcome to week 3 of Yoga for Beginners. Today we are starting in a standing position, Balasana. Stand tall, inhale, shrug your shoulders up, exhale down. 2, inhale, shrug your shoulders up, exhale down. 3, shrug up, down. 4, 5, inhale, you shrug your shoulders up. This time, pull them back, bring them down. Now we will do some calf raises. We will come onto our toes like this. So as you inhale, you lift your heels off the ground. Hands are by your side. 3, lift your heels off the ground. Come back. 4, heels off the ground. 5. This time, see if you can raise your arms above your head. Inhale, arms up, lift your heels. Exhale, come back. Inhale, arms up, heels off the ground. Exhale, back. At your own pace. Inhale and you stretch your body up. So a big stretch on the inhalation. As you exhale, come back down. Inhale, arms up, heels off the ground. Exhale, back on the mat. Now inhale, take your arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bring your upper body parallel to the floor, hands just above your knees, place them on the thighs. Stay there, breathe. Nice, as you inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. We'll do that again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, you bring your torso parallel to the floor, hands resting on the thighs. Your back is absolutely straight. Inhale, rise. Exhale, arms by your side. Inhale, raise your arms up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come halfway down. Now you can either stay here or see if you can send your hands closer to the ground, coming into Uttanasan. Relax your neck. Take a deep breath in and rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. Inhale, lengthen the spine, raise your arms. Exhale, fold forward, coming into Uttanasan. Relax your neck, breathe through the nostrils. Nice, your neck and shoulders absolutely relaxed. Now inhale and start rolling back up. Exhale, arms by your side. One more big inhalation, lengthen the spine. Exhale, come into Uttanasan. Once there, relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, arms by your side. Now we will stand with our feet apart, roughly 2.5 feet apart. And we will do hip rotation. So hands at your hips and start rotating your hips. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back in the standing position. Now we will stand 3 to 4 feet apart. So stretch your legs out, standing 3 to 4 feet apart, and this is a good style of measuring. Now turn your toes out. Inhale, take your arms up. As you exhale, bend your knees, hands in prayer position, and we are in Goddess Pose. Hold this pose. You can also place your hands on your thighs like this, or hands in prayer position. You must be feeling a sensation in your thighs, which is very good. We are strengthening the thighs. Stay there. Now inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, bend your knees back in goddess pose. Hold and hold it with a smile. Keep breathing smoothly through your nose. Inhale, rise. Exhale back into your goddess pose and hold it there. Keep your back straight. Keep breathing through the nostrils. Inhale, rise. Nicely done. All right, now standing with feet parallel to each other, and from here we are going to come onto our knees. If you feel sensitivity in your knees, you can place a towel or blanket under your knees. Now stepping out with your right leg, make sure that your right knee is pointing up towards the ceiling. That's correct. Right hand stays on the right thigh. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend over to your right. Inhale back to center. Now exhale, stretch to your right one more time. Hold it there, holding the stretch, coming back to the center. Exhale and stretch, hold it there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Coming back to the center. Bring your right leg back. And now we will do it on the other side. So stretching the left leg out, ensuring that the left knee is pointing up. Left hand on the left thigh. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, stretch and bend to your left. As much as your body allows, back to center. Exhale and stretch to your left. Hold it there. Back to the center. Deep breath in. Lengthen as you exhale. Bend over to your left and hold it there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gently coming out of it. Bringing the left leg back. We are still on our knees, and from here we will do Camel Pose, which is an excellent back stretch. So maintaining the straight line of hips and knees, tuck your toes like that, and you will place your hands behind your back with your fingers facing down. Inhale and you lengthen the spine. As you exhale, arch back. Push your chest out. You're looking up towards the ceiling. Coming back. We will repeat it one more time. You can either do this, or if you feel ready and comfortable, relax your toes. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, hold on to your right knee. Left arm up, hold on to your left knee. And there you are in your Strassen Camel Pose. Your chest is pushed out, back getting a good stretch and arch. Breathe. Slowly coming out of it, one hand at a time. And now we will relax in Child's Pose, Balasana. So rest your forehead on the ground, arms are relaxed. Breathe through your nostrils. From here, we will lie flat on our belly. We will stretch our arms above our head. Our legs will be parallel to each other. Now from here, we will be lifting our body as we inhale. Don't focus too much on how high you go, but focus on lengthening. So really stretch your arms out as if your fingers want to touch the front wall. Point your toes back, focusing on lengthening the body here. Holding the pose, exhale, come down. Inhale and you lift yourself up into the pose one more time. So raise your legs, your torso, your arms, and once again focusing on length. Point your toes, stretch your arms out. Good hold. Exhale, come out of it, relax on the floor. Arms can be by your side, or you can have cactus arms. And from there, when you catch your breath, come onto your forearms. We will be doing Sphinx Pose, which is very good to maintain the arch in the lower back and flexibility of the spine. So your feet are comfortably apart. Your shoulders and elbows are in one straight line. Lengthen the spine and look at a point in front of you. This is Sphinx Pose. Keep breathing. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Maintaining the length in the spine here is the key factor to derive maximum benefits. Gently coming out of it and relaxing in Makarasan. Breathing through your nostrils. And from there, coming onto your hands and knees. In today's practice, we are really working on stretching our body and lengthening the spine. All of the movements require you to hold the pose for a few seconds to derive maximum benefits. Now, from your tabletop position, maintain the straight line of your hips and knees, but walk your hands away from your body and bring your chest lower, as low as you can. And then rest your forehead. This is called puppy pose, which is a fantastic opener for the upper back. You can either stay there, or if it's available, you can bring your chest low, touching the ground, and then tuck your chin. Whichever is available today, do that and stay there for a few breaths. To come out of it gently, walk your hands closer to the body and then rest in Balasana for a few moments. And as you take a pause in Balasana in Child's Pose, focus on your breathing. Paying full attention to how your breath is moving in the body as you move. Now from here, we will lie on our back. So lying flat on our back, the legs are stretched out. From there, we are going to bend both the knees. We are getting ready for bridge pose. So your knees are parallel to each other, hands by your side. Inhale, lift your back off the ground. Your chin is touching the chest and you are in Setu Bandhasan, the bridge pose. The core is engaged, the glutes are engaged. Slowly coming back down on the floor. One more time, inhale, hips off the floor, back off the floor. Keep breathing as you are in your bridge pose. And swift breaths, slowly coming back on the floor. Stretching the legs out. And now we will do Pavan Mukta Asana. So bend your right knee, hold on to your right knee with both your hands. As you exhale, bring it in towards your chest. And then hold this pose for a minimum of 3 to 5 deep breaths. Wind relieving pose or Pavan Mukta Asana relieves you of gastric issues, bloating or indigestion. Release the right leg and now we will do it on the other side. Bending the left knee, holding it with both the hands. On your exhale, bring the left knee in towards your chest. Breathing through the nostrils. And as you hold the pose, don't let your mind wander here and there. Stay with your body, stay with your breath. Release the left leg. Now we will bend both the knees. You can either wrap your arms around your knees or just interlock your fingers. As you exhale, bringing the knees in towards the chest. Using soft breaths here, and as we exhale, we pull the belly button in, creating more room for the knees to come in deeper. And now, gently roll from left to right. relaxing your back. It's a good back massage. You must often give it to yourself. We are still holding on to the knees and rolling from our left to right. Now back to the center. Release your legs. Stretch your legs out. Now send your arms away from your body. Your legs are absolutely relaxed on the floor. Arms are absolutely relaxed. Your body is well rested on the floor. Close your eyes and spend a few moments in Shavasana, absorbing your practice, enjoying the smooth flow of breath in your body. Breathe through your nostrils and feel your breath traveling smoothly in your body. You have been coming to your mat consistently, giving yourself time and practicing yoga. You have been doing great. The year 2022 has started on the right note. On that positive note, you turn to a side and come into a seated position. I hope you enjoyed this practice with me. I'll see you soon with another video. Namaste.